This lesson is brought to you by Michael Blair Virtual School and the Lanjago Kali Foundation, headed by His Royal Highness now Professor Lanjago Kali II. Hello viewers, welcome to the Michael Blair Virtual School. I am Michael Blair Tasiame, a 15-year-old student pursuing bachelor degree in mathematics and ICT. I had the privilege to complete junior high school education at age 9 and thereafter represented the Fafara Community Day Senior High School at the National Science and Maths Quiz Competition at age 11. My background, experience and competencies give me the privilege to teach you mathematics the way you love it and excel in your mathematics examinations. Come on board, let's learn together. Our lesson today is on the associative property, taken from B7.1.2.1.3. And by this lesson, you should be able to use the associative property in addition and multiplication. Associative property. Good. When I finish this lesson, you should be able to test the addition and subtraction and multiplication and also division signs with the associative property rules. So, let's delve into today's topic and study more. How do we use the associative property? Before we start associative property, you have to know that associative property is between three elements, which are, let's take any numbers like 2, 3, and 4. And don't forget that all these are properties, associative property, and it is only the operational signs which can be associative, that is addition, multiplication, division, and subtraction. But out of them, others are associative whilst others are not. So let's check for addition. So if something is said to be associative, that means you must operate all of them and also equal it to all of them. And after that, use this mnemonic called first two, second two. First two means that you put the first two elements in a bracket. Then second two means that you put the second two elements in a bracket. So by so doing, 2 plus 3 in the bracket is 5. 5 plus 4, and 2 outside. Then 3 plus 4 inside the bracket is 7. And therefore 7 plus 2 is 9. And 5 plus 4 is also 9. So you are going to get 9 is equal to 9. So don't forget associative. You will operate all of them like this. A plus B plus C. Then you do the first two in brackets and the second two in brackets. And if they are equal, you can say that that thing is associative. We can solve another one using the elements 5, 4, and 7. So we add 5 plus 4 plus 7 equal to 5 plus 4 plus 7. First 2, second 2. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 7. 5 outside plus 7 plus 4 is 11. So 9 plus 7 is 16. This is also 16. And therefore, addition is associative. What of multiplication? So don't forget, this time we are not going to use addition symbol. Let's say we are using 2, 3, and 4. So 2 times 3 times 4. 2 times 3 times 4. First 2, second 2. So 2, 3, 6. Then 4 outside. Then 2 outside. Then 3, 4, 12. 6 times 4 is 24. 2 times 12 is also 24. And therefore, multiplication is also associative. So in that case, we can come out and say that if multiplication is associative, then we multiply all three elements and the first 2, second 2. So let's try it for 1, 2, and 3. 1 times 2 times 3 is equal to 1 times 2 times 3. First 2, second 2. So after doing this, you also have to simplify them into very short forms. So 2, 1, 2. 2 times 3 is equal to 1 outside multiplying the bracket 2, 3, which is 6. So 2, 3 is 6. Then 6, 1 is also 6. And by doing that, you should get 6 equals 6 as a final answer. And the moment they are equal, you can now say that the associative property works for multiplication, and therefore multiplication is associative. Let's try for subtraction with the elements 2, 3, and 4. So 2 minus 3 minus 4 is equal to 2 minus 3 minus 4. So first 2, second 2. So 2 minus 3 is -1, multiply -4. Then 2 outside with the negative outside as well. 3 minus 4 is -1. So at the end of the day, we have -1 multiplying -4, which will give us 4, being equal to 2 multiplying -1. But don't forget there's another negative here. So negative and negative meeting will give us positive. So that will be 2 times +1, which is 2. So if you observe properly, you will see that 4 and 2 are not the same, and therefore subtraction is not associative. Let's try another example with the elements 1, 2, and 3. So 1 minus 2 minus 3 is equal to 1 minus 2 minus 3. So being able to know that we put the first 2 in brackets and the second 2 in another bracket. So 1 minus 2 is -1, and -3 is here as well. And don't forget it is in bracket, so it is multiplying 1, and we have another bracket multiplying. So 2 minus 3 is -1, and -1 times -3 is 3. Then 1 negative here, another negative here, will give us positive. So 1 times 1 is 1. And therefore, since 3 is not equal to 1, subtraction is not associative. What of division? Division, if it is associative, then that should tell us that A divided by B divided by C will be equal to A divided by B divided by C. So first set, second, and if you finish simplifying them and you see that they are equal, then that means we have obtained an associative property for division. I want to leave you to use our understanding on addition, subtraction, and multiplication to check if 2, 3, and 4 are also associative under division. So all you need to do is to replace them and check. And if at the end of the day you see that both sides of the equation are equal, then that should tell you that division is associative. Send your answer or your answers to microblareschool@gmail.com for me to have a look at it and give you appropriate feedback on your answers. Until I come your way again, it's been Michael Blair, your favorite online mathematics tutor, coming to you live on the Michael Blair Virtual School. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like our video, and comment on the video as well. Bye for now.
This lesson was proudly brought to you by the Michael Blair Virtual School and the Lanjago Kali Foundation, headed by His Royal Highness now Professor Lanjago Kali II.